You can use this free tool to send out thousands of emails for absolutely free with one click of a button and make hundreds of dollars on a click. There's no real work required from your side because everything will be done for you if you watch each and every step from this tutorial. No selling, no social media followers, and no investment needed. You can literally start making money today, and at the end of the video I will show you how you can easily take your income to the next level. Now before we do all of that, don't forget to drop a like to this video, leave a thumbs up if you love making money online, and if you haven't already, feel free to subscribe with notifications on, and I will notify you whenever I have a new and fresh strategy to make money online, so you can be one of the first to use it, and that way of course make the most money. Okay, so here's the website that will pay you. Here's the website from which you will be collecting those earnings. But before I show you this website and how to sign up for absolutely free, I need to teach you how you can set up those emails for absolutely free and how you can set them on a complete autopilot so you can make passive income every single day. And this strategy is going to be really simple and easy because today we will be using only two different websites. One for sending out those emails on a complete autopilot and one that will pay you. So just two different websites, so this strategy is going to be really simple. So let's begin with step number one, and that is setting up those emails. So first of all, you will need to head over to a website called Hercules Plus. This is already Herculist.com, and Herculist is a tool which will allow you to advertise to thousands of people daily for absolutely free. So you can set up one single email on Herculist. I'm going to show you exactly how and exactly where to do it. Then Herculist will send that email to thousands of targeted people through their email list, and all of that with a free membership. Now they do have some paid memberships as well, but you don't need to invest any money at all right now. You can definitely in the future, once you start making money, you can reinvest some into those paid lists so you can make even more money. But for now, yes, you can definitely start for absolutely free and even get $5 sign up bonus, and I will show you exactly what that means. This is a really trusted website. For almost 20 years, Hercules has been a trusted internet marketing source for thousands of marketers worldwide. So this works no matter where you're coming from. It works for all countries around the world. You will get embedded 100% safe opt-in list to which you can advertise. Make one email and with one click of a button send it out to a list of thousands of targeted people. It's a 100% real traffic, so they're using real people, which means real traffic to your website, no fake traffic or bots, which means there's definitely a lot of money to be made. And no, we will not be selling them anything, so you will not be promoting any offer or people need to spend money, and that's why this is going to work so easily, and that's why this works so well for complete beginners. You're not selling anything, which is a lot easier. They have different powerful tools to which you can access for absolutely free, and you can even earn some money through their referral program, which is also really great if you want to increase your earnings. So I highly recommend you go through Hercules. You can read more about how it works, and as you can see, it's also mobile friendly, so you can even do this with just your phone only. Even if you don't have a laptop or a computer, or you simply want to be laying in your bed and still do this, you can definitely go and complete it with your phone only. You can just go over to Hercules.com on your smartphone device and complete the steps which I'm about to show you in this video. So once again, step number one is to go over to Hercules.com and read more about how it works. Step number two, now you want to click on Get Started, this button right here, so you can create an account. Now you will need to enter your full name in these two boxes. You will enter some website name, you will create a username, unique username for your account, create a password, retype that same password, and enter your email address. And it's highly recommended that you use Gmail, because Gmail mails won't go that much into spam, which will help you maximize your results. So if you're using Yahoo or Outlook or Hotmail or whatever other email provider you're using, you can definitely just go over to gmail.com and create a brand new account and use it for this purpose. Then you can tick this box if you want to use the same mail for both subscribed and main addresses, and you will need to agree to their terms of service and privacy policy, which you can read by clicking on this link right here. Then just fill out the CAPTCHA and you will be ready to click create account and you are ready to go. That will then take you over to this page where you can select the membership option. You can either go with a free one, gold option, or pro option. Gold and pro are not free, they're paid. They will give you some more benefits, but you definitely don't have to use them right now. You can maybe use them in the future if you want to. If not, you can even just stick with the absolutely free membership and still get decent results. So you have the free membership right here, just click continue free, this button over here. Now you will have your brand new Hercules Plus account created. Here you can see all the features of the website, and right here you have this section submit email/web ad. You can submit with free ads, you can submit to 1,000 members daily. Every single day you can advertise any links you want to over 1,000 people through their email submission. So just click this button where it says click here, then confirm your email by clicking on this button over here, then just open up your email and click confirm email. Now you will be able to send an email to 1,000 people on a regular daily basis. So you can send that one email to 1,000 people and you can advertise any link you want to, but I will show you which one we will be using for this strategy because it works really well. So before I show you what's going to be the subject line, what you need to put in this URL box, and what to type in the email, let's go to the second website from which you can grab that referral link. To grab that link, you will need to head over to a second website called F+. This is over at the fplus.com, and this is a CPA marketplace. CPA stands for cost per action, which means that on here you can find thousands of different offers which you can promote for absolutely free, where people don't have to buy anything, nor do they have to spend any money, but you will still get paid just for them signing up through your referral link. So you can refer someone to an absolutely free website where they, in most of the cases, just need to enter their full name and email address. They don't need to spend any money, and you will still get paid a different amount of money. So you can see how much you will get paid on the right hand side. But the category which we will be focusing on today, because it works super well with the Hercules email submission form, is surveys and making money online. So you can search for survey keyword in this box, in this search bar, and the really good thing about F+ is that you don't even have to sign up to F+ to find those offers. Just go over to fplus.com, search survey, and you can browse all of those different survey websites that are going to pay you a different amount of money per each referral that you get them. Per each sign up that you get to that survey website, you will get paid a different amount of money. For example, this one is paying $1.65, which means if you refer 10 people to this website, you will get paid $16.50. If you refer 100 people, that's $165 from those sign-ups. They don't need to spend any money. They can even earn some money because it's a survey website where they can make money online. So you can go through all of these and find the one that suits you the best. I will be using this one as an example. This is Survey Soda, paying 80 cents per each referral that I get. Per each sign up that I get to this website, I will get paid 80 cents. And here you can join the network to grab your referral link, and here you can preview what exactly you're promoting. And in this case, we are promoting Survey Soda website, where people just need to enter their first name, last name, email address, zip code, gender, their birthday, and they just need to click start now, and boom, I made 80 cents. It's really simple, it's easy, and it's a lot easier to make someone sign up for absolutely free to a website where they can earn rewards and make money for absolutely free than to make them buy something. And that's why this works so well. So this is a survey website where people can make money, and I will refer them in order to make 80 cents per each person that signs up to it. And you can of course use any of the offers from F+ under the survey category. I'm just using this one as an example. You might be able to find a lot better offers and offers that are paying a lot more money. To grab your referral link, you will just click on a join network. You will sign up to the network, and it's always going to be a different one, so there's no point of me showing you step by step how to do it, and it's really simple and easy. You just sign up, you enter some details about yourself, and they will give you your own unique referral link which you will need to promote. Once you grab your referral link, just go back to Hercules to submit your ad. You will enter the subject line, which can be something along the lines of make money online with this free website, or type in whatever you want to. That's really optional. Then the test URL should be your referral link that takes them to the platform where they can sign up and you will make money. In this case, for me, that's gonna be the Survey Soda referral link that whenever someone clicks on and signs up, I will make 80 cents. 10 people that sign up and I made $8. 100 people, that's $80 for me, and so on and so forth. And it's all on complete autopilot because once I send out this email, it's gonna be sent to 1,000 people and I don't have to lift a finger. This can all take me less than like 2 minutes to set up. And if you later want to invest into Pro and Gold membership, it will give you access to almost 100,000 people email list, so you can just think about how many signups you can get on a regular daily basis because you can submit an ad every single day. I mean, even with a free membership, you can still reach 1,000 people every single day, which is still decent. You might get a lot of signs up even from the free membership. Then the ad body can be something along the lines of click the link above to sign up to brand new and free survey website, earn cash rewards for giving your opinion. You can of course change this, adapt this, and see what works the best for you. I just use this line as an example, and definitely include the free word all the time because that will just seem really appealing to those people. When they see it's a free survey website, they will be obviously more willing to click on it than if it wasn't free. After that, you can just click submit ad, and that's it. Ad has successfully been submitted to 1,000 members. So now my referral link can go to 1,000 people that will be able to see that they can sign up to an absolutely free survey website where they can earn some cash rewards. Obviously not all 1,000 members will sign up, but even if I get 100 or 200 signups, it's still good because it's all passive income. You just click the button once and you can now relax, you can do something else and just come back and check how many referrals you've got. So it's really easy and it's really simple, and it's a great way to set up a small passive income for yourself. It's obviously not gonna make you rich, but it's a great side hustle. And if you want to see how you can make big money online and how I personally make thousands of dollars every single day, then hit the first link in the description down below and I will show you step by step how I do it and how over 1,000 people that went through the same program are now making thousands of dollars every single day. It's a really unique way to make money online, and I think you're going to love it. It has nothing to do with affiliate marketing, and you will not have to show your face on the camera or whatsoever. Once again, that's gonna be the first link in the description down below. I hope you did get some value out of this video, and if you did, don't forget to drop a like to it, leave a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to this channel with notifications on so you don't miss out on any of the new content. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in some of the next videos.